10 Natural Home Remedies for Drooping and Sagging Eyelids. Ever thought about the perils of old age? Sagging skin or loss of skin elasticity is an unwanted guest of that time. Sagging eyelids are the worst among them actually. In the age of winged eyeliners and brows, imagine having to face the consequences of sagging lids, despite being prompt with beauty care. Some stats reveal that each year, more than 100,000 men and women go in for surgical solutions for this problem. Why take an extreme step when you can go the natural way to improve the appearance of sagging eyelids? Before going into the video, we've just printed more copies of what is probably the best plant medicine book ever written, The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, how-to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description. Now let's get into today's video. First, let us find out the sagging eyelids causes. Causes of sagging eyelids. There are plenty of conditions and situations which can trigger the eyelids to sag. Normal aging of skin cells. Diabetes. Stroke. Horner's syndrome, a disorder that affects the nerves of the eyes and face. Brain tumor. Any other disorder which affects the smooth functioning of nerves or muscles. Sagging eyelids can happen in one eye and both eyes too. Let us see the causes in both situations. When present only in one eye. An eyelid neoplasm, similar to a style in the eye which is a small and painful lump on the inside or outside of the eyelid. Health complications. Nerve injury. Natural aging. Normal change or variation in the eyelid. When present in both the eyes. Natural aging. Normal variation in the eyelid. Medical complications. Myasthenia gravis is one example, which affects the muscles around the eye and the nerves that control them. Now that we have identified the problem areas, let us know about the sagging eyelids home remedies. List of 10 home remedies for sagging eyelids. Here is the list of home remedies to prevent and minimize the problem of sagging lids. 1. Cucumbers. Not just for salads, cucumbers are an excellent remedy for drooping eyelids. All you need to do is put some slices of chilled cucumber over your eyelids and let them stay for 15 to 20 minutes. Cucumber is good in hydrating skin and restoring skin firmness, which is the need of the hour. Besides, cucumber is a good source of potassium and vitamin C that help in treating drooping eyelids. 2. Chamomile Tea Bags. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory agents, which help treat the condition of drooping eyelids. In order to gain from it, put chamomile tea bags in the refrigerator for some time and then place it over the eyes. Keep them on for 20 minutes. By making this your regular routine, you will start to see the benefits in no time. That's not all. Even green tea, which has anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants in it, helps address the droopy eyelids problem. The polyphenols in green tea need to be thanked as they help improve skin elasticity. Just massage your eyelids with green tea water or drink green tea regularly to reap the benefits. 3. Ice water or cubes. Cool. This line holds good not just for the prickly powders but also to combat drooping eyelids. Wash your face with cold bottled water or ice cubes. This will help tighten the skin that has lost its elasticity and alleviate sagging eyelid skin. Ice cubes, in particular, constrict the blood vessels, which prevents the drooping effect of the eyelids. 4. Homemade lotion. To revitalize your eyes, natural ingredients are what you can count on. To do that, blend 4 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 4 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 2 TBSP oatmeal, and 5 peeled cucumber slices until you get a smooth and thick paste. The next step? Apply the paste to the eyelids, leave it on for 20 minutes, and rinse with cool water. 5. Eat grapes. This is a good option since grapes have a high content of resveratrol, which helps prevent or slow down the cellular aging process. 6. Egg white mask. The white of an egg has natural enzymes, which help prevent the sagging, or drooping, eyelids. It also helps in improving the elasticity of the eyelids, thereby reducing sagging. Take 1 egg and collect egg white from it. Whip it up properly and then apply it to the eyelids. Let it dry, then wash it with cold water. This will bring much needed relief and reduce the sagging effect. 7. Olive oil. The antioxidants in olive oil help in treating the problem of drooping eyelids pretty well. Heat some olive oil. Once you get it to a lukewarm temperature, massage your eyelids with it and let it stay overnight. Wash it with cold water. This technique will help in rejuvenating your eyelids, at the same time restore the skin elasticity. Plus, olive oil is known to keep the skin moisturized and prevent dryness. 8. Drink water. Yeah, that's right. Under all circumstances, you need to keep your body hydrated, and that can only happen when you drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Not drinking enough water in a day is a common sagging eyelids causes. Therefore, drink plenty of water on a daily basis to prevent the problem of droopy eyelids. 9. Eye serum. One of the easy remedies to prevent droopy eyelids is applying eye serum. It helps rejuvenate and tighten the eyelids thanks to the nutrients and vitamin C in it. Squeeze some eye serum from the tube and massage it on your eyelids. Leave it overnight and wash it off with cold water. For best results, use Peter Thomas Roth Neuroliquid Volufill Youth Eye Serum. This eye serum works as an eye mask and is perfect for under eye skin in winters. 10. Sagging eyelid exercise. Hope you found some excellent remedies to fight the problem of sagging eyelids here. If you have any more natural remedies to share with us, feel free to write. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.